and we have finally completed our quarantine. This is Chief Officer Mayuk. How do you feel?
Fine, very nice. This look awesome outside.
You feel free after the jail time?
Yeah.
Did you feel it was like jail?
Yes.
Let's sit. Yes, this was the building.
Just have to make sure you keep your seatbelt fastened.
Sure.
And unfortunately now, because the rule changed yesterday, you have to keep your mask on.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay. Give us a shout if you need anything.
पीछे तो यार ये छोटा है पीछे So we are sitting in a Mercedes. How often have you sat on a Mercedes?
Don't remember, but maybe at least 3 to 4 times.
Good. Man, thanks, man. That's my meal for the day. Maybe you could bring them at about 7:30 or something.
But I'll double check with the chef for you. Yeah.
Sure.
No worries. Enjoy your...
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we had to travel from Queensland, from Brisbane to Perth, and there are some strict guidelines to travel state to state as well. Firstly, we have to take a flight, or we have to arrive in Perth at least 12 hours since we have finished our hotel quarantine. So you have to get this pass. This is called a G2G pass. It's good to go pass basically, that you have to show them to the officer. The agent did this for us, so we didn't have to worry much about it, but we got an email, we got the G2G pass, and then we showed it to the authorities in Perth, and yes, we also had to show the letter that we had completed the 14 days of quarantine in Brisbane, in Gold Coast. So once we finished all that, then we were good to go. Now we've reached the hotel. Tomorrow morning we are going to have a test, COVID test. We have to wait till the results out. Once the results out, you're free to go. Yes, finally we'll be free to go. And yes, then we'll see what Perth has to offer. Alright then, thank you. So the room is way smaller than what we had in Voco Hotel in Gold Coast.
है फूलों की लाशों में ताजगी चाहता है आदमी चाहता है कुछ भी चाहता है.
But you know, I can't complain. I was kind of spoiled for those 14 days. Had a nice bathtub and everything. But this is nice. It's a small, cozy room.
A few moments later.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to go off your nose. Other side, nice and quick. All done.
Oh, thank you.